Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the new episode of my RX-7 build. So as you guys probably see already, so I've done the seats, steering wheel, and a lot of stuff on my car already. So if you're new, please check my channel and some other videos so you'll know what's happening. And today, as you can see here, so I have some new seatbelt and also the seatbelt buckle. So this one here, so the seatbelt kit, so this one is from, so you can see the down here, so it's wet clamp seatbelt. So this one is specifically designed for the car. Originally comes with an airbag, but you want to install the aftermarket steering wheel. So when you remove the airbag, so you have to fit the seatbelt to make your car road legal. Yeah, there's the original belt on the car. It's designed to operate with the car. With the car come with the airbag. So this belt is another different kind of internal mechanic design. So just in case when accident happens, so this belt will not stretch, so it will hold you firmly on the seat, so that will be safer. But the original traditional seat belt with the airbag car, so when accident happen, so actually the seat belt will stretch a little bit, sometimes even further. That is designed to make your body or your head slightly forward to hit the airbag. So when you change the aftermarket steering wheel, so if you don't change your seat belt, if something happens, it's gonna be not very ideal. Yeah, because you don't want your head hit on the steering wheel, right? So we recommend, not recommend, but just for a safety reason. So we're definitely gonna change the aftermarket wet clamp seatbelt just for your safety, and also actually it looks pretty good. You can see that it's brand new. It looks good. Yeah, and also for the seatbelt buckles. So the local certifier recommend me to use this. So the reason is because this one will allow me, so you can still mount on the side panel on the right seat rail, and also you can make it through the hole on the, you can see something like this. So on the hole where the harness belt usually comes in, so that will allow you. You can see, so when you sit on the car, so there will be the better position. Some people do this, but if your leg is, but it will definitely don't have good clearance between your leg, because when you buckle on, so your leg will hit on the seatbelt, so it's not very comfortable. But if you use the flexible one, so this one you can go up a little bit, so that'll be better. And you can also even make it longer, so it's like a airplane seatbelt, some sort of stuff. Yeah. And also I'm gonna show you a bad example of how I mount my OEM seatbelt buckle on the bride seat. So this one actually, so don't do this. So this is a very wrong way, because so I do this because I temporarily need to go to the seatbelt specialist to get some advice. But I definitely don't do this anymore, because when you buckle in the beat and when the seatbelt is on, it looks okay, but if you can see here, you have a pretty big room so for the seatbelt to move. So on this side, if you use the flexible one, so you can make it through the hole here, and also another side of the belt, you should actually need to remove the seatbelt end, so remove the mounting and put the belt through another hole from here. But I'm gonna show you how I install later. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is to find the lower mounting point of your seatbelt. So you're gonna remove the mount. So let's do it. So I already make it loose. So so I can take out easily. Show you how to. Yeah, so it's very easy to release. So this one very simple. So you just need to make sure the location is correct and put it through. Put it through here. Yeah, just something like this. So once you've done it, so you just need to simply bolt on again. Simply bolt on again, then I'm gonna fit the seatbelt buckle. So this probably is one of the easiest thing to do on the seat, and I'm gonna show you the final result when I'm done. Yeah, alright guys, it's done. This is how you mount the seatbelt buckle. And you just simply put. Yeah, so basically it will like that. You can have a look. So this is the correct way to use the seatbelt on the bucket seat if you're not planning to get the harness. Also for the driver's side, same thing. So, but because also I don't have enough time today, so for the wet clamp seatbelt, so I'm gonna install it next time. And you can see we do it proper way, so it's gonna be look like this. So that's looks pretty decent. Then, yeah, still very comfortable to sit on the new seat. Also the seatbelt is holding you pretty well. Let's have a look from the other side. Yeah, pretty simple and tidy. Yeah, and for the seatbelt on the passenger side, so I'm gonna do it next time. And because I will take the seat out again, because today when I go for a drive, so when I went for a drive, I found maybe I need to tilt the seat up a little bit, maybe put the bolts here. Yeah, so that will be better to drive, because today my leg room is okay, so the reach for the pedal is okay, but I think my back is too straight, so it's too close to the steering wheel. And so next time I'm gonna fit the web clamp seatbelt and also the buckle. Alright guys, so today just a quick video to show you guys how to properly set up your seatbelt and the seatbelt buckle when you change the new bucket seats. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and hopefully you can learn something from it. And so I recommend whenever you do the modification, so it's better to do it right way. Yeah, and also some information about the web clamp seatbelt, and because I know a lot of people, so they remove the steering wheel with the airbag and put an aftermarket steering wheel on, but still using the original seatbelt. And I believe the main reason is because most of the people, they probably don't know about the web clamp seatbelt, so that's why they still use the original belt. But I hope you guys can spread out the information, so when your friend modify the steering wheel with the airbag, so highly recommend they to go to the seatbelt specialist to get a web clamp seatbelt or webbing clamp seatbelt. Just search the Google, and just for the safety reason. So hopefully you guys can enjoy the video and stay tuned. So we'll see you next time.